Hey guys, it's Millie TT and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something that I haven't done in a long time, and that is a wig review. I'm kind of back and forth when it comes to wigs. Like, yes, I love my natural hair, but I also like to switch things up, and at the same time, I don't like spending a lot of money. I went on Amazon and I found a wig for $25. With that being said, I'm not gonna get my hopes up because it's $25. The pictures look good in the reviews because I never trust like the stock photos because they're usually stolen. This is gonna be a genuine review. It's not even out the package yet. So we're gonna open this up and see what we got going on. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. It's a black plastic bag and it says best designed give you the best. I'll put them somewhere on the screen, but it's a highlighted wig. Okay, from what I see, it doesn't look too bad so far. This is what we're working with. It's really soft. I see like dark brown, and as you can see, hints of blonde highlights. Okay, I wasn't expecting a full lace. But look at this. This is like 1.5 inches of lace. So you definitely have to wear this flat. And that's what the part looks like. I'd have to put some concealer to make it work. As far as the inside, we got 2 clips along the hairline. In the back, we have, looks like 1, let's see. Okay, so we got 2 clips along the side of the hairline, 1 comb in the back, and then we have adjustable straps. And there's a tag attached to it. Okay, so this is the name of the company. It is that A1S1? Looks like numbers. A1S1 Queens. And there's their customer service satisfaction memo. Came with a deluxe wig cap, so I'm gonna use this one. I'm not a professional by any means when it comes to hair. I just go off of what I see in videos. Thankfully my hair is slicked back in a ponytail, so this will make the process a lot easier. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig cap on first. This seems to work out, so let's just put this on. I feel so it feels weird doing this on camera because I haven't done this on camera. I think the last couple of videos I've done as far as wigs, which were like a few years ago, I never did the process. I just came on with the wig, so this is different for me. All right, so these are really comfortable. So let's go ahead and try this wig here. Okay, either this wig is too small or my head is too big. I'm struggling. Hold up. Okay. Ooh, it's getting a little hot up under here. Wait a minute. Where's the part at? This is not how I envisioned this in my head. We got some tangles, which is expected for a synthetic wig at this price. Okay, so we got a little bit of shedding. I don't know if you can see. Y'all, I'm sitting here like I just knew I was gonna have to put in some work. I got my gots to be, and all I got is this little piece of lace. I'm just gonna cut it because I'm not getting nowhere with this. Okay, let me comb through this one more time and make it look a little bit more presentable. I was not paying attention. Look at that. Look at all that shedding. Yeah, this one sheds a lot. Oh my god, this wig sheds like crazy. Like it's only I mean, I expected shedding, but it's like every time I touch something or touch my leg, it's just hair everywhere. This is it. I'm not a wig connoisseur or anything like that, but for $25, it's not terrible. It's a good quick wig, if you will, just something to throw on for the night. But if you're looking for something to wear like on a regular basis, this looks like it'll wear down pretty quickly, because it was already tangling when I got it out the packaging. It tangled quite a bit. There's a lot of shedding. I'll probably play around with it off camera. I don't hate the wig at all. It's actually really pretty. The color's pretty, the shine is pretty, but it's just not something you could pull off every day. You have a lot of synthetic wigs that, you know, have a longer lasting quality where you can wear it every day, but I feel like this will probably last a few weeks and then you'll just have to let it go. That's pretty much the end of this video. If you like this video, feel free to comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.